Hi, my name's Naomi Jones, and I'm the author of The Rap Lesson, which is part of the Readerful Rise series. So I was diagnosed with dyslexia when I was 21, and some people might think it's strange that someone who is dyslexic has always wanted to be an author. My handwriting is messy, my spelling is fairly terrible, and when I read, my eyes jump about and I don't always actually read all the words. But I think being dyslexic is a gift when it comes to imagination and to perseverance too. In The Rap Lesson, the main character, Saffron, finds poetry hard to understand until her teacher tells her that some people think rap stands for rhythm and poetry. Saffron loves rap, and after that she becomes really inspired and begins to write a rap to express how she feels about poetry now. It takes her a few attempts, but at the end she's really proud of what she's achieved. It was really important to me to create a character who goes on a journey in this book, as I've often found, it's the things we work hardest at that give us the most satisfaction in the end.